Hi, hello friends, welcome to World Explorer India, learn something new Delhi. Today on October 22 on International Stuttering Awareness Day, let's know about stuttering. So stuttering is not an emotional disorder, it is a learning disorder which occurs in at least 1% of the general population, which is characterized by the disturbance in the normal fluency of speech, time pattern of the speech. Male are usually more affected than females in the ratio of 3:1. Chromosome Q is attributed for the heritability of the stuttering disorders. Usually stuttering recovers by the age of 16 years. Highest prevalence is seen in the African American children. ICD-10 code is F80.81, childhood onset fluency disorder, stuttering NOS, stuttering NOS. F80 is specific developmental disorders of speech and language. In DSM-5, stuttering is no longer a diagnosis and it is renamed as childhood onset fluency disorder, which is characterized by ums, ahs, nos, etc. Anxiety, avoid speaking situations or words is very common. Characteristics of stuttering are difficulty starting a word, that is very difficult to start pronunciation, lip pressing, repetition of sounds, they pause in between or then you can see interrupted flow of speech, word substitution to avoid the problematic words, for example monosyllabic word repetitions, for example I will, like that, physical gestures to get the word out, they may stress their body parts to get the words out, or you can see the grimacing facial expressions, etc. So these are the characteristics of the stuttering. There is no FDA approved medication yet for stuttering, but dopamine blocking medications have the efficacy according to some research studies. But be very careful about the extrapyramidal symptoms which these medications can cause. Ziprasidone is effective and well tolerated medication. Interventions related to this stuttering is cognitive behavioral therapy, transcranial direct current stimulation, and speech restructuring. Out of all the interventions, speech restructuring has been proven very effective for the treatment of stuttering. What we can do is talk slowly, relax, and don't interrupt. Don't ask too many questions. Accept, support, protect against discrimination in employment, education, and services based on stuttering. If there is insurance coverage or law support for the disabled, it's very good, and stop bullying for the people who suffer from stuttering. Hrithik Roshan, Rowan Atkinson, Emily Blunt, Joe Biden, these are the famous personalities who overcome the stutter. Don't think the people with stutter is having low body language, low confidence, fear, incompetent, discipline, etc. They have overcome all this and they have been proven very successful in their careers. So if they are waiting to think in between the speech, they are stronger than you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and last but not least, share to your friends and family members to learn something new daily. Thank you.